Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're starting a brand new build today. This is my 1990 short wheelbase GQ Patrol. We're going to be doing a full restoration on this one, so stick around, let's check it out. I'm sure the most important thing people want to know, what's it got under the hood? Well, that would be nothing, a blank canvas. So to get the build going, we're going to need some parts. So we're going to need a motor, gearbox, we're going to need a full wiring harness, diff centers, some more interior parts. So the easiest way to do it is to buy a donor vehicle. So I've been searching on Marketplace for the last few months and I've managed to finally find the perfect donor. So here it is. So for those wondering why I didn't just buy a running and driving short wheelbase Patrol, these things are just getting super rare and super expensive at the moment, and being 30-year-old vehicles, they're just, a lot of them are full of rust, and we want to start from a bare shell and just get to all that and repair it all properly, and by the end we should have a really good vehicle and it's not going to cost us a fortune. So the plan is to take off everything we need off this one to put in the Shorty, and then any bits I don't need I'm going to sell off, and then hopefully it should make back some of the money we've spent on this one. That came off a lot easier than what I thought. So next step is to cut the front off. So I need to take the entire wiring harness out of this and put it into the shell. So I'm going to label everything with a little label maker, so that way nice and easy trying to work out where all these wires go. As you can see, this front end's just so mangled. I think the easiest way to do it is just to cut that front rad support out. That way I can get the whole motor and box out in one go, hopefully. Off camera I've pulled out the gear sticks and got everything ready to drop the box out. Trying to get it out in one go has been a bit of a pain, so I've got a jack supporting the transmission there, and I've just got the engine mounts released there, and we'll try and pull it out. it's a bit sketchy. Was a bad idea to try and pull it out in one go, but we're there now, so we've got to sort it out. So gearbox supported by that, take a bit of weight, and then hopefully get it out on the angle. But it's definitely a bad idea to try and take it all out in one go. So motor's out now. Probably wasn't the best way to do it, but we got there in the end. So plan is, when I go to put this back in, I'm just going to pull the body off the Shorty because we need to do some work on it anyway. That way it'll be a lot easier just to drop it over the chassis rails and bolt it up, because there's no way we'll be getting this over the rad support. So should be the best way to do it. I'll end the episode there. Stay tuned for next time. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.